Halo guys, kita pijet-pijet sama Ate Filipino.
Hi, why there is
Meleleh.
when I put the oil, it will hurt you.
So many cent. Ojo ndelok lo pendel
The
saya.
oil also cannot put down because it will pull down.
Pijet, make it easy.
Why don't remove everything so you will not do like this like that?
Letters as a man.
Ah, okay.
Now Ate get penalty, you know.
No, you have bad back. Your back is not normal. Too much cold, Ini. The back of this is too much cold. Oh, the tummy is bloated. I want to vomit.
You?
Yes, your tummy is really have problem.
Yeah, so
Immediately when I touch you, I feel your tummy.
yeah, because the
You always feel full.
windy.
Yeah,
Because
that's right.
my
There's too much air
room
in
so small. Ate, I used to fan, you know.
Oh my God. No, no good.
Yeah, no good, but very hot, Ate.
Put the fan, the air look up, not look down.
I sleep with the dog.
Not direct to you.
Yeah, even not direct, but my room is very small, Ate. Just 2 meter and a half square feet.
I feel it to your back. Too much cold. Too much air.
Yeah, yeah, I know that because
And strong.
yeah.
He always told me my head is like, sometimes he said maybe hammer.
What hammer?
Ini what hammer?
Hamil lah, baby inside ah.
What hammer?
Hammer, apa beb hammer?
The one, if you nail the hammer, you said my hands is very hard.
Oh, very hot. Oh no, your hand is a good massage. Pena beb pijet eh.
Antep tangan nih.
Kasih kalau tak omongin bayar pijet.
Saiki aku cetak pijet saiki.
Iya.
Ya kapan-kapan.
Maksudnya nek kapan pengen pijet kan kene. Aku ngate budal pijet apa urut barang, pijet awak. Sing keluar ya kaya karena nggih, tapi ning kene sing loro. Terus tak pijet kaya di sangkal puteng ngene.
Your hand have power ate.
Alhamdulillah.
You feel?
Yeah, I feel
But my head is good. Don't worry, I'm good person.
good person ya.
I'm not bad person. You can feel that
Yeah.
because if I am bad, your breathing will be difficult too.
You put in massage.
You feel my hand? This is my magic.
Actually, you in Philippines you do the therapy is good.
I have power like that.
Because you have power and you can help other people release the pain.
Ini knows me.
Hmm? Any call you what? Kurupit. Kurupit.
Kuripot.
Kuripot. Kuripit.
If you see Filipino, you will ask, you kuripot?
Oh, later ko as other Filipino ko you kuripot immediately say like that I get matuhuy, you know.
And then they will ask you, who told you about kuripot? I need to be down this one. I cannot.
Yeah.
See. I wear a shirt, I will remove my pants, but I don't.
Later, my puki, my puki, my piece underwear.
If they see my legs there when I do massage, this one maybe will viral.
Viral.
Ini, if I will show my legs here, it will become viral. I never short sa ini.
You have space?
It's okay, don't worry. I will tell you if I don't have space.
Oo.
Really, your back is have a lot of cold.
Yeah.
You will feel it hot later when I'm done.
Now it's very hot.
Don't make hard, don't make hard.
Yeah.
Relax, just relax your shoulder. Oh my God. Your
So
shoulder
hot.
is very frozen.
Yeah.
Frozen your shoulder.
Yeah, because I with the help of big dog.
You see, you hurt your back. When I touch, there is something like plastic that back like that. My sister is good singer.
Is it? You know, I like the cover music, cover song in Philippines. Is Gigi Delana.
You see this one? This one is not normal.
Yeah, because you're so tired, tate.
Much cold.
You like to sing, ate?
Huh?
You like to sing?
No, I'm dancing. My sister is all singer.
Mm.
Me dancing.
Today's windy is good weather. Not so
I feel too sweety.
because you massage.
Because you massage.
If you don't do massage, maybe you don't. Because you use power.
Come on.
No, you can sing.
The song I know sometimes the lyrics but I didn't sing much. But because I love listening to music also.
okay sih. Mau upload ya.
Huh?
Ke mau perang YouTube.
See? YouTube mo ya mau upload eh.
Kadang-kadang madugay.
Males. You have also YouTube? Just beginning. Just start? We just start learn. I like this song, but I don't know how to sing.
Remove my t-shirt.
You remove I of this one. Okay.
It's okay, Kay, no.
No, it's okay. Don't.
I'm wearing this one also. You see?
Already 10 minutes.
Oh.
Or